to download Windows 11 for free. So for the students, staff and all kind of professionals need Windows 11. So we need to install and upgrade ourselves. What we have to do, just go to Google Chrome browser and type Windows 11 download. So once you press Windows 11 download, it will direct you to the download Windows 11 Microsoft. I have given the description link. Click the link. That link will direct you to that software download option. So once you click here, so you will get option called Windows 11 download. There are three options below: installing, creating Windows 11 media. So what you have to do, so before you are downloading installation, whether your laptop or desktop will be support Windows 11 or not. So it is a basic things. If you have a i3 or dual core processor, means it is enough for you. So you need 4 GB RAM and memory space above 1 TB, or 64 GB also enough for you. So if you have 100 GB memory space in your hard disk, means it is useful for you. So if you have sufficient space, so you will install, you will get options. So just scroll down, you will get option called create Windows 11 installation media. So if you want to create using video, DVD or CD format, meaning you can use that. If you want to download in your laptop and you can install from your laptop, upgrade your things, means it is the beautiful option Windows 11 disk image option. So ISO will be given here. So here there will be a use your USB, you can install DVD, you can install from your laptop itself, you can open and install the application. What you have to do, first you need to select the option whether which download you want. Windows 11, yes, so Windows 11 I need to download. So I just want to select this option. So once I select this option, I just click here to download. Once I click here download, more download option will become here. So select the product language, just select the product language is English. Once you select the English option, so you will get option called Windows 64-bit, whether you are choosing Windows 64-bit download, that is latest version, so you will get option. So once you select this 64-bit, means automatically you will get download option. So totally 5.1 GB, as you see here the download option is there. So totally 5.1 GB. Within a second, your Wi-Fi is very fast, means within a second you will get your Windows 11 ISO. So you can share with your friends, you can download this file and you can install from your laptop itself. It is a beautiful option where Windows 11 has given us a freeware for everyone. So you can use Windows 7 to upgrade Windows 11, Windows 8 to Windows 11, Windows 10 to Windows 11. It is a beautiful option. So while I download this one, so I can directly install that file. Yes, I have downloaded successfully. I just opened the download file. So my Windows 11 English x64 file will be zipped and it will be stored here, totally 5.12 GB. So I just open this file. There are an option called boot and support file, source file and setup exe will be there. So you can easily download this file from the Microsoft. So I have given the description link, just download the file and you will just double click on that setup, means automatically you will install your Windows 11. So what you have to do, so just cut the file, and because you have to export this, extract this one, so just right click and create a new folder. So I just paste this file. So once I paste this file, I just extract the file because this is zipped and given to the Windows officially. So once you extract that one, so 5 GB files will be extracted from your laptop. Yes, my entire file will be extracted over here. So I just double click on that. So the setup will be running from the setup file. So the application will be there. So preparing Windows 11. So I want to install Windows 11. So install means, so just click here to help install better options. So just next option. So checking the updates, and you are eligible to apply Windows 11 in your PC. That is a beautiful option where given the Microsoft Windows. Use this option, install the Windows 11 and give the comments in your comment box to get all kind of detail. Yes, thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.